Say the word, write it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I'll check it off to see if they know it. Good morning, y'all. Today is December 1st, and part of December 1st, I'm dressing up festive, kind of, you know, whatever. I have on Christmas earrings from Temu, this little fa la la white sweater I got from Michael's, paired it with some pink sweatpants I got from Old Navy for $12, and some red Hey Dudes. Let me go put this in my bag. Alright, so we didn't try it yesterday, but we're gonna try it now. And I guess it's good enough for me to put in the fridge, you know, for us to finish later. But we got the Cranberry Poppi, Cranberry Fizz Poppi. We'll try it. Definitely smells like a 7-Up drink, whatever. Try it. It's something different.
It tastes like...
I can't think. It tastes like a 7-Up with...
raspberry and kiwi.
Like cranberry juice or something. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, it's good. It's a prebiotic soda.
Look, it might be cranberries because look, that looks like
it does. It's called Cranberry Fizz.
Oh.
5 grams of sugar. Flavor so festive. Prebiotics, caffeine free. But, you know, limited edition. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A. I just want to grab some breakfast real quick because I didn't do it at home. Honestly, I really need to start making muffins. I could have made me an egg sandwich. Well, not an egg sandwich. I could have put eggs on a bagel. I could have made a bagel. I just was that lazy and didn't think. So, like I said, I'm gonna run to Chick-fil-A, grab some breakfast, and then head to work. It's 7-Eleven. It's funny because we weren't at work Friday. I get an email over the weekend saying that I clocked in. How can I clock in on Friday when, you know, like 7:30 Friday time anyway, that I was, you know, would have been clocking in. I was with my mom. So I wasn't anywhere like on my computer, nothing like that. So that's really, it's just really weird, you know. But let's get us some food and head to work. I mean, you're bound to have people like find your channel and stuff, but my coworkers, nah, y'all only get that benefit to know. Would you, here, girl.
Is the only reason you don't want people seeing you on YouTube because you be talking about everybody?
I don't be really I continue on with my life. I don't really care about everybody. I really don't want people to see my YouTube. You know, like that's something that I like to do for myself. If you find it, you find it. But it is too early to be running. Anyways, I got hash browns and a 5-count nugget. Nuggets I'm gonna try and eat my honey with, if they even put honey in the bag. But 7:21, I'll be at work in about 2 minutes, so let me eat these hash browns in peace. All right, y'all, I haven't been able to vlog because we've just been rolling. So this morning for writing, we did nothing. We actually had to do our flourish lesson, which is basically like, you know, just like about, you know, how to deal with like behaviors and like needing a break and stuff like that. So we didn't get to do our story. We moved into outside play. We did literacy. Literacy, they did quite a few different things after we did Hippo and Birdie. So I love how we give them like a may do, like, and then must do's. So must do's is 2 different things. So literally they must do the sight word find, where they find the, to rainbow write these words, write it, and then color in that word. And then another must do was where they roll and read. Now see, their may do's, they can read from their book bins, they can read in their folders, they can play bingo, roll a sight word, write it, and then short O words. So nothing too major. But what I love is like how it's lunch after that, then outside play. They'll come back in for quiet time, and then for math, we're just doing like a mural, and so whatever. I have some things that I really need to get done today. So I had them in their books. They had to do the December mural, which I'll try to show you guys. So they had to do their December, and we try to make it to where we do it each month just to see like the growth. And yes, they have to write their name at the bottom. I have some data that I need to put in because I need to do my next set of sight words. I literally am making them write the word, like say the word, write it, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I'll check it off to see if they know it and kind of go from there. I also have like handwriting that I need to do with them, because currently we should be through at least like J. Yeah, we should be through. But we just haven't had the chance to do it. So I don't know if I want to do that during quiet time or what. This needs to go next door. I told y'all what I bought for lunch today. We got our calendar together in here, but I think that there's more things that need to be added, just like my calendar at home. So literally like what's coming up is next week is Read Across School. So we have sock day, book and stuffy day, festive day, word letters on the shirts, and then pajama day with cozy, y'all, hot cocoa, whatever. And then our home days, literally we have a half a day on the 19th, and then we go all the way up until the 6th. So the good thing is I do get January 5th as a work from home day, and that'll be the day where I just work from home and see what all really needs to be done. So right now, currently, I'm gonna sit down, eat my lunch, and then they'll be back in for quiet time, and hopefully I can have some kids come and work with me. So I created them a packet for quiet time. Quiet time is literally like 10 minutes, and they can like color the pictures. We have, you know, dot to dot, and then color by letters, color by numbers, and then just like a coloring page. They also have like a mystery letter, find the message, and then they can finish the other half of the snowman. And then they also have, they can finish the other half of this, Christmas I Spy, Would You Rather, drink hot cocoa or apple cider. And then we have Christmas tic-tac-toe, and then directed drawings where they can just get like an extra page or whatever and do it. So that is what I'm going to do for the next few minutes while I have a break. And then I also have to do counting jars, so I just have to add stuff in. I'm about to honestly make this smoothie. I'm gonna go upstairs and get some ice in a minute. Make this smoothie. And yeah, that's it, that's all. I'll tell y'all what, those cyber deals trying to get you. And with my teacher salary, or what I should say is my teacher's assistant salary, it's a Now, like I said before, I need to finish my degree. I could be making like a little bit more. And when I say about like a little bit more, I could be making enough to like not complain. And I've never complained. But I think that a lot of people know teachers don't get paid a lot. So this is where I'm going to end the vlog for today's vlog. One, I'm heading home to pull out the Elf on the Shelf, and you know, see if our elves will magically reappear, because Sky was like, didn't our elf come last year at Thanksgiving? Well, you know what, some elves come early, some elves don't, and that's a-okay. So I am heading home to see if our elves feel like coming back today. Meatloaf is already done for today, so I made a turkey meatloaf yesterday. If you didn't watch that, you'll have to go to the previous vlog and watch that. And then I'm gonna go home and cut up potatoes, and I already cut up the onions, and do potatoes and onions with butter and seasoned salt, and then the rest of the macaroni and cheese left over from Thanksgiving, y'all, because food won't cheap, and I didn't put my foot in it for nothing. So I'll catch y'all in the next vlog.